we were at a place where we had 3 kids. We were moving and found ourselves in a busy season of life. And it was one of those things where I kind of attached more to my friends and started putting my friends ahead of my spiritual life, ahead of my family. You know, I spent a lot of time with one girlfriend, and you know, she might not have been in the best place in her marriage, and things were kind of chaotic in my marriage. So it kind of turned into more of like us being able to relate in the sense that we both had, you know, she was struggling in her marriage. So then I thought, well, maybe I'm struggling in my marriage. And, you know, you kind of go down this road. Well, yeah, maybe things aren't right with me and Adam. Maybe, you know, maybe things aren't going in the direction I want them to go. And, you know, you just kind of I kind of put my husband and family on the back burner, and definitely spiritually just kind of detached and stopped doing my quiet time, spending time with the Lord and really seeking him.